I spend a lot of time working online, and the reason I need safe online browsing is because there's too many people out there with technologies that can track exactly what you're doing. Now, I use Proxy4U for my proxies, and I use that connecting it to GoLogin so I can stay safe browsing, whether it is just on social media, flicking through reels, or actually doing my work, guys. That's how I stay private. Now, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to set up a residential proxy on GoLogin using Proxy4U's proxies, the cheapest out there right now. So make sure you stay tuned to this video. Note this disclaimer, I'm living on this paradise island, working in absolute privacy because I trusted Proxy4U, and I use that with GoLogin. Let's check it out. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is get yourself an account on Proxy4U. You're going to log into this, and I'll show you that very soon. And I'm going to show you exactly how either you want to try the free trial, or you can go straight in to using all of your gigabytes of proxy, whether it's data center, residential, or mobile, and use it with GoLogin. Now, GoLogin is a fantastic company, all right? This is where you can actually use secure browsers to manage any coinless accounts. Okay, you can manage anything, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, doesn't matter, all safely. And I'm going to show you how to set these two up. So first, let's log into both of these. Okay, so guys, you can see I'm into Proxy4U right now. Okay, and what we're going to be talking about is residential proxy today. So residential proxy, you can see all your login and passwords up here. Now, I will refresh the password because I know some of you will probably try and take some of my traffic left. Okay, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, you can set your own default targeting. So what we're going to do is choose a country down here. Let's go with, for example, Russia. All right, I want my privacy to be targeted through Russia. The next thing you can do is choose your intervals. Now, if you're choosing sticky, okay, sticky is the intervals you're choosing, which means that it will constantly, okay, rotate at the intervals you choose through a sticky proxy. So for example, if I put in here 40, every 40 minutes, the IP is going to change. Now that helps with things like Facebook, Instagram, especially when they send you that message saying you've done too many likes, you've done too many comments, things like this. Okay, this is helping because your IP will never be the same. Now you can put this down. You can do every 10 minutes, okay, if you want. So we've chose Russia, we've chose sticky. Now, guys, this is our full proxy setup. What we're going to do is go to GoLogin, okay? We're going to try a new profile. So let's go to new profile. First thing you want to do is check your overview. What are you using? What's your operating system? Now, it will work no matter what you use, but for full features and speed, it will need to be what you're using. Now, I use a Mac ARM, okay? And I use an M2 chip. So I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to go to proxy. I always double check that it did work. So proxy now, guys, all right? You go log in proxy, your proxy or without. You're going to go to your proxy. And then if you have it saved already, you can. But if it's brand new like now, you're going to start typing it in. So we are a HTTP proxy. You can have SOCKS 5 if you message Proxy4U. But all the time I use HTTP. So what's my login? Okay, now this is a really interesting thing because this is the logging for the targeted country. Okay, now you copy and paste everything before this 2 dot, okay, which we call a colon. Copy and paste this straight into the login. Now with the password, what you're going to do is copy everything after the colon. Do not copy the colon, but after the colon, okay, up until the @ sign, which is what we call it. An @ sign, I know some people call it strudel and things like this. It's the @ where you would put in your email. Okay, after the @ sign, you're going to copy and paste this all the way to the dots again. This now, guess what? This is going to be your IP address. Okay, and then in your port, you're going to copy the end number. Now, if this doesn't work for any reason, which it will, it never really does this, but I just want to tell you, if it doesn't work, you can change this from anything to 10,000 all the way to 20,000. So you can put 10,001 if you want, and it will still work. So we have to put a name in. Let's just go test YouTube for now. Okay, we're going to add it to the Proxy4U folder. You can make these yourself. Okay, and we're going to check this proxy. You can see here it says proxy in Russia, which is what we took, which is Yekaterinburg. It must be somewhere in Russia, and your IP is here 188.18.35.107. All right, perfect. So this is what we're going to do. Now we have done this, we are going to create the profile. This is going to save this profile so we can actually run it. And I want to show you how cool this is. Because once it's here, it's so easy. You have now connected your Proxy4U. Okay, and you're going to press run. And now I'm going to show you how you can test your IP on here. Once this finishes with run, you're going to see it is very easy. Now you're going to click view and it's going to go beep, beep, and open up this browser for you, which is now secure. Here we are on the safe browser. Now you can type in anything you want on here. Okay, if you want to go to Facebook, if you want to go to Instagram, anything you want, you can start to load up with this proxy. It's going to ask you to just make sure that you are a human. Okay, we get these all the time. Gives you some stupid picture. Choose it's not a motorbike. I always seem to get these wrong. I don't know why.
Okay, motorcycle, yes, let's go. I don't know how many times they're gonna make me do this. Okay, I'm officially not a robot. There you see, Facebook, okay, it's all in Russian because we are actually on a Russian IP. So you can choose anything you want, guys, and you are now browsing safely. That is thanks to Proxy4U. And guys, what I want you to know is if you want the most reliable proxy, this is it. And it's not just the most reliable, it's the cheapest. There is no other proxy on the market that does this. They allow you to even just get 1 gigabyte at $2.50. The biggest competitors, they don't give you $2.50 until you buy a terabyte. When you get a terabyte here, it's only $1.50, and that's why residential proxy is blowing up on Proxy4U. So guys, make sure you do. Using Proxy4U and GoLogin is going to keep you secure forever online.
There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell button notified. Go check out the free trial Proxy4U right now. Watch this video multiple times until you understand how to be safe, and stay safe out there.